If you've been struggling with your curly wig routine and don't know how to get defined fluffy curls, definitely keep watching this video. Yeah, this wig gets big. I messed up the curl pattern in the front because I was plucking and styling it. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys how to get some defined curls back, but getting them fluffy and not that completely wet look. And this is on water wave hair. Just imagine how it would be on some curly hair. Okay, so you only need a few things: your water bottle, brush, and some clips, and your product. I either use Mousse Def, like the one you see right there by The Do, or I use Lotta Body, their blue one, or they have one that comes in a yellow bottle too. And they all do the same thing. It's like a forming kind of mousse. So I promise you this is very simple. So you're basically working in smaller sections so that everything gets saturated and everything gets the product on it fully. Now you're just gonna take that section, pin it up, and then the other section that's left out, you are going to fully drench it in your water. After that, you could go ahead and use your product. I probably do like 3 pumps per section. Honestly, whatever's enough to get the product all the way from that root all the way to the end. And don't forget to get it on the root, y'all. So I brush it out, and that really defines the curls. You could get a Denon brush. That's the kind of brush I have right there. They're great for curls, natural curls, wig curls, anything. Sometimes if the curls are too clumpy, I will separate it, but the goal is not to touch the curls too much after you comb it through or brush it through. And this is my process for my natural hair too, for my wash and goes. I actually use the same product I'm using right now. I don't use gels for my wash and goes. I feel like that's really drying out the hair, and I love fluffy little curls. So it definitely has a little hold and you have to break the cast, but it definitely is not that jelly, flaky business that I really don't like. Okay, I'm just skipping to the back just because I need to say this. Please put a lot of product on the back nape area because that's the place that gets the most tangled over time, especially if you have your wig glued and sewn on and it's not coming off your head. Me personally, it's going to be rare for me to glue down my wig. I take my wig on and off. I wear glueless, my closure wigs. I love a good closure wig, y'all. I love a good closure wig. Yeah, but I take mine off and put it on my mannequin. So the next day when I put it on, it's definitely still fluffy and curly and not tangled or whatever, because I'm not sleeping in it and it's not going through no wear and tear. So I promise you this whole process just takes like 10 minutes. You're not going to get the same results if you just put a whole bunch of product over the head and comb it through. It's not going to give you the same results or be as defined. But what you can do that I didn't do in this video was completely wet the wig before you even start. So therefore you don't need the spray bottle. But you still gotta go in with the product with every section like I'm doing here. Okay, I did one side, I'm gonna do the other side off camera. This is what it looks like when it's totally done. But even if you don't wanna put it outside, definitely let it air dry and don't touch the curls. I like how the curls come out like this, but if you guys want more of a ringlet, then when it's like 60% dry, you could go in with a diffuser and make those curls pop a little bit more. But this is water wave hair and I wanna keep it as just a slight wave. So it's been an hour in this hot sun, so it is completely dry now. Now the wig is gonna feel stiff like you put gel on it, but that's just the cast. And all I do is scrunch it a little bit and that's gonna break it, and that's what's gonna give you that fluffy curl. So this is the last step. You just go ahead and crunch through the whole wig and then you go about your day. So if you really want your wig to get bigger, you are gonna just be playing in your hair, be tossing it and stuff like that, and it will get bigger. Keep in mind this wig is water wave and I did not layer it at all. No face framing, no nothing. So layers definitely make the hair more voluminous. So if you want that, definitely do those 2 things. I really do hope this helped. If it did, definitely comment below. Let me know. Make sure y'all like and subscribe for more videos. I am being consistent. I'm posting on Tuesdays now. Also, these wigs are available for purchase through my company, All in One Collection. I do still have some online and in store available right now.